To be honest, I don't think anybody has ever seen me with a side part before. Hey, what up y'all, it's your girl Stallicorn and I'm back at it again with another tutorial. Today I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I got this blonde patch in my head and also how I laid my wig. I feel like I did it differently this time of how I laid my wig. So if you want to know how I got this blonde patch with some, brown up in here, just keep watching. Alright, so you already know I got my good old trusty hair. She's here to endure all the pain and suffering of the bleach. So the bleach I'm going to be using today is going to be the Kaleidoscope's Carrier Bleach with 30 volume developer. Okay, so the hair that I decided to get was a 24-inch wig. And this is from the store UEENLY. I'm going to put their link in the description box below. But this is their hair. It does have kind of a smell to it, but I usually find like the hair with the smells like that smell chemically processed are like the longest lasting hairs for me, so I don't mind that. Plus I'm gonna like wash this and rinse out the bleach and stuff once I'm done with it anyways. So yeah, so I wasn't sure if I wanted to bleach the knots first or just bleach the hair, but I think I'm gonna bleach the hair first, and then as the hair is bleaching I'm gonna bleach the knots also. So to start out, I just want to like get all the baby hairs back because they're annoying me and they're in my way. So I'm gonna spray them shits down with some water, if this would just find itself, and kind of like brush them back. Yeah, so that's like that. I'm gonna just kind of, it looks like it's already pre-plucked though, but I want to pluck it some more. But I'm gonna do that after I bleach the knots. So yeah, I'm gonna just like comb these back a little bit so I can figure out like what I'm gonna do and everything like that. So boom. So what I'm thinking about doing is just doing like a patch in the front of the hair that's gonna be blonde, like honey blonde. So I'm just gonna take some hair from like the temples of the hairline. That's where I'm gonna part it off at, and then that's where I'm gonna start my bleaching. So after I parted my part in the front where I wanted to put the honey blonde patch, I started mixing my bleach and then I added it onto that patch of hair. You want to make sure that you get above the hair, under the hair, and in between the strands of hair. You're going to see that I started combing the hair out and then adding more bleach so that it could actually work into the hair, because I don't want it to be like black and blonde in the front. I just want it to be like fully blonde. So I wrapped up the hair in the front, and then I moved right on to the sides of the head where the blonde would be blending into the black, and I just bleached that part of the hair also. I don't want it to be like a harsh transition, so that's why I decided to bleach those sides. Alright, so I high-key, low-key don't recommend anybody doing this, but I got lazy, so I just flipped the wig over and started bleaching the knots that way. And I used the same mixture that I used for the hair, which I kind of regretted because the bleach actually bled through the lace and then it got onto the hair. Luckily that part was blonde, but the rest of the part, when I kept going farther back, it kept getting more and more like blonde and it still bled into the lace. Alright, so before we burn this hair, we gotta wash this shit out. So I'm gonna be using my ISO Plus shampoo, neutralizing shampoo, so that what's it called? So that it could further get out the chemicals of the bleach. Then I'm just gonna be using some regular conditioner, some Pantene, and call it a day. So after I washed the hair, I started to realize that the blonde wasn't blonde enough, and I high-key low-key didn't like that. I wanted it to be lighter. So I just blow dried the hair and then re-bleached the hair again. I had to do a second process because the first process that I did, the hair was getting too hot, and that 30 developer was really like developing. Like it was really changing the hair mad fast and it was making it too hot. So now I'm gonna be showing y'all the second process. So yeah. So this is the wig. The color came out a little bit lighter, which is fine, which is what I wanted. That's why I bleached it twice. Kind of wanted it to be a little bit lighter than this, but this is fine. I'm not gonna bleach it a third time before I fry it. Alright, so I let this air dry for a little bit. And then I blow dried her out so that I could get like the insides of the hair. So now I'm about to pluck the front so I could get more of like a natural hairline, because as you can see, the front is kind of thick. So I just want to like pluck those away a little bit so that can have like a little natural hairline going on. So after I done pluck the frontal, I'm going to be using my silk drops to kind of moisturize the hair and use it as a heat protectant as I flat iron the hair. Alright, so this part is pretty redundant. I'm going to be using my Got To Be Glued freeze spray so that I could kind of dry out my hairline, and then I'm going to put my wig on top of that. Then after I put my wig on, I'm going to spray some more Got To Be Glued so that it can kind of stick onto my forehead. And then after that, I'm going to cut the lace to match my hairline. So I usually cut the rest of my lace off camera because I'll be struggling. Like, you're going to see me struggle trying to cut this over my ear. But yeah, after I do that, I'm going to get my Got To Be Glued gel, and then I'm just going to use that to glue down the lace onto my wig. Now, usually I don't do baby hairs on my wigs, but I'm like, you know what? This time I'm like, you know what? Everybody else out here having baby hairs, and I'm over here not having no edges. So I was like, girl, let's do some baby hairs today. guys, this is the end result of my perfect blonde summer highlight tutorial. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, you know, press the bell to get more notifications or anything like that. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.